In this video, we are going to see Lenz law. Lenz law states that the direction of the induced current is such that it always opposes the cause responsible for its production. Faraday said the flux change will produce an induced current in the coil. Lenz law says that the effect always opposes the cause. So, the new equation for an EMF is equal to epsilon is equal to minus d of n pi b divided by dt. The significance of the negative sign is the direction of the induced EMF opposes the change in magnetic flux. Here you can see the illustration of Lenz law. Let's consider this uniform magnetic field. These magnetic field lines are represented by crossed lines. Its meaning is these magnetic field lines are perpendicular to the plane of the paper and pointing inwards to the paper. Next, ABCD rectangular rod is placed in between these magnetic field lines. Here, this AB slide is movable one. AB slide is moving towards right side, so magnetic field lines are increased, so magnetic flux increased. This induced magnetic flux will induce magnetic field lines in an opposite direction. These magnetic field lines are represented by red color dots. Its meaning is the induced magnetic field lines are pointing outwards the paper, that is, pointing towards us. As per Lenz law, this induced magnetic field lines, that is, induced magnetic flux, will induce a current in an opposite direction. The direction of the current is determined by right and thumb rule. Right and thumb rule says in a closed loop, if the direction of the magnetic field line is as the thumb direction, then the direction of the current shows the other finger's direction. Here, the magnetic field, that is induced magnetic field lines and thumb direction are same. So the direction of the current shows the other finger's direction. So the induced current direction is anti-clockwise direction. Now AB slide is moving towards left side. So the magnetic field lines are decreased. So magnetic flux is reduced. This reduction of magnetic flux will induce magnetic field lines in the same direction to counter the decreased magnetic field lines. It is represented by red color cross. So, direction of induced magnetic field lines and already existing magnetic field lines are same. This induced magnetic flux will induce a current in an opposite direction that can be determined by right and thumb rule. Here, thumb and induced magnetic field lines directions are same. So the current direction is other finger's direction. So induced current direction is clockwise direction.